Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we've got the brand new Apple iPad mini. This is the black 16 gig Wi-Fi version, and just like any other ordinary iPad, it's in its plain white box with Apple iPad mini logos, Apple logos, and its brief description on the back of what it includes. Nothing really out of the ordinary compared to normal iPads, except the box is a lot smaller for obvious reasons and weighs a lot less. So if we just open it up. There's the iPad mini itself. Something. See if that one side might load up. Now inside the box, just like normal iPads or iPhones, we've got a leaflet explaining where the buttons are, which most of us have had an iPad or an iPhone before, will already know what it means. The USB cable with the lightning adapter or lightning connector. So obviously we will need new iPod docks and connectors, and obviously the normal power adapter that the cable would plug into. And that's about it. So obviously I still left the screen protector on for the time being until I can find one available in local stores, but that's basically it. Just like any other ordinary iPad, but a lot smaller, easier to hold in your hands. Ideal for gamers with small hands like myself, because obviously the other iPod was a bit too big for my hands. And there you have it.